All right, Sir Obed TV here on YouTube. A very long day, very long day because the activities are out there. You do hujumano na edoson. Yababi drew, yababi chat, ye be video no na yakikan semana bom edi amamo na mahudie airco. And you call two major places when it comes to Asante Kotoko. We paid a visit to Adakwejache, and this is by popular request. Anytime the video, we realize the number of people are requested for update from Adakwejache. So this afternoon, we paid a visit to Adakwejache, Asante Kotoko Sports Complex, in some again. After that, no, and you PMO tech. Pajo, a sports complex. And so, Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no, more air training. So we paid a visit to two places. One more Kumasi no sumuni mse nsuna topa. Na chese insempi, but yaba, beke kani na bom na icheti apremo. Don't forget to do these two things for me and also to help you. Because your munipa they come back, they ask questions in other videos, but unsubscribe to account no. Also do a search account no have video no ko. But also subscribe here. Ebuama unya notification nti video no kra be po ani so no ebeba beda o phone no so sa. Anytime you are free, you can just click it and watch it. And also you like the video. You like the video now. Wow, Emma, anytime you ever refer to the old video, you get that pop-up. But the subscription is very, very important for you. Send your own message, a video be there. Silver TV and the Atuga. It is some Guanopa. Me brief more about Asante Kotoko train no me and Ra. Asante Kotoko ye training and Ra. 2. Anopane and Mre. Me mamu briefing in and Anopa. Na me catch out say ebi wo ho ese esan akohwe wo na me ankasa me mani hu because the sources no reporters me omo ye adwuma but me no de me mani hu no hu so ene yakoye ni nyina na adakwaja achensem no na me nka we nkyere mo. When I went to Adakwejache, there were questions that me and Kasa I was asking myself. Now these questions, one particular manner were part of the contractors around. So I approached him and he answered or answered my questions maybe. But once I catch him, he said, "Se me pentiasi muko deep pa. There is another person I need to speak to." And before this video, I was planning saying, "Kamenye course ni na me fam bra na asesen." But my audience me tedi me ko hu no kakra dey actual. So the video will be by my side while I do the explanation. So be do hono. Now the place was a bit empty. Me can't a bit empty. Na say activities are mostly are dey koko hu no. Me hu bi sa e wo hone. So I was asking myself questions. The first thing you realize is that the level of the pitch, on my raisy level, the first pitch, not the level, no, I will form kakrabe. So to say, on my raisy the level of the pitch through failing. Now failing this time around, on my the second phase of the failing. Then he said, "One more edge suye, and no more an be goose no fail. And no moment so toboro no, and almost idea gusu, and almost failing on my role." So the second part. So this time around, the last time you call no tia, that they were a mem form no. Also, we no tia a mem kakradie, but a mem could be break session and affairs here, and let's say a bit compact. The ground is a bit compact. In terms of level, also are easy. And whilst walking on the field, you realize that there are certain parts I said etu atotom kakra no say baby atotom nti ase afeli ade ne nsu ato aboro no na yasa afeli ne nsu ato abona baby atete atotom kakra. So whilst working, you can see that on the field. Until I engage nipa na America no ase no so yo. Naturally no, because of the nature no badwuma no pese o ye nti no. On pese asase na nkasa nya abetre na a drop ye before they will start any other activity bia. On pese o rush the process. Na later no ebe tutum. That was on unin church mu the mame. Enu nti na out mu say because people on me workers go a omo ye adwuma echo up and down. That was the explanation on the mame. But some mame another person say me nene nkasa because that person can give me the timelines. Say we na omo ja to ho no ebia next week and next 2 weeks and on beba ho. That person will give me the timelines. Many people na kasa but no share me anajo 8 o'clock mama say after 8 men friend. So I'll have to speak to the person, get the news and bring it to you. But me call on them ko here na say o ma fele grounds no insu otobro asase no, but there was little activities going on there. Na nipa mienu na na ho 2 people but na machine bi ensi so and machine BNC, so that is what I can see. But there is a reason to match me. But also, as far as he can go and or the amendment, I should speak to the other person, proper timelines on how they are going to do the thing. Said there are so many parts of Adakwajache, but the whole project, and sure say, Namopemun Chilimu, and I met me a koya mako. Na makakofa eti April. Now let's move to other issues. Into a china, when I get all the details, then I'll come back and give it to you. But mama me up to Monday. Now all the other details with the timelines, because information will be out will be to me the amount. So I'll speak to the people involved, get you the information. And we take it from there. But still, page Nutiaswa, baby, kakra, baby, to musu kakra. And that is so my 2 failing and a major to hook and an assassin. I am a trip, no, as I didn't be Pimu Pajo, Kumase, Asante Kotoko, womo a training grounds, and me be Pimu na Kotoko training grounds, me ko Pimu exclusive video and I made the air bro. Now, Mammy breaky and your man down. Send him no in some new one. Yes, on so pa. Ain't him me cassa and metric makakra. Because if you are me go too far, na machi break. I realized that in the morning there were some people also complaining say as some mechanic jive. You see, we try to balance things. The others are can be bra also the bibra babontain. The others are kakrebia. So we try to look at the balance. Good. And I could training, extensive training. There were 7 different training methods our coach may apply. They made me watch it 2, which happened at the warm-up section. Asa. How they say what me drink. 2 pen I made me watch it. Warm-up section. Because warm-up section there. And on the bar on team you. But the other 5 no any one asem no. And then in so no Emma could training no na so trash at the point. So the warm down section and share down basso. See your warm up, the central part of the training and the warm down number so. So the warm-up section, I'm no better. The rest, I cannot talk about it. They made me I can't be a players nearby and injuries, and they made me but the method our coach ni use and focus on the basic or park and so on. I can only do that when Kotoko stream life. That Kotoko stream life be on me channel abane de utimika But the next protocol, social media crew now never training grounds no. Almost shoot to the warm-up. Therefore, it means that tactically the coach okay with warm-up section but apart from that, the rest should remain a secret. But I'm complaining, so if I'm doing it, don't make any comment. But I'll give you enough details for you to understand what happened at training grounds. Mrantiano say NTA. From Coach Ogum's training, Makacho said, Yawada utimi who starting 11. If you are that suit me na humpupo ya kakra because I know one training section. The last training section and no your champa. So you can get an idea of the starting 11, which mostly any idea possible 11. No, my main count one someone. I don't know ebeba a year. Memory day numbre naba and a possible 11. No, yeah the beba. And because we've watched 4 training sections, our possible 11 can give you 95% chance of coming through. But let's go to the issues proper. Warm up no video no echagu into bet me. Now a group of 4 or players number 4. The goalkeepers here warm up different. Not other players are warm up different. During the warm up, 2 players spend 18 years in Sharif Muhammad defender. I'm a kind of one some a year and now set from Kotokoye recovery intimidating training. Again, the good news is that Julius Ofori Ziggy Abba. Julius Ofori Ziggy Abba. Interne oye working when Tumrika Nantian or Nantefa a year park no for close to bear 7 times. We no better say. But Sharif Muhammad ye on one Nante when Tumrika one keke ball or Tanase. Tana a bench entire period. Good. So Sharif Muhammad said I'm not sure he can play for Kotoko against Timwa, your friend Karela. From a net training, no, may confirm one defender Sharif Muhammad is out of the game. Julius Ofori is out of the game. Again, Fuseni Isaac, he is out of the game. Coach, I have friend Ogum Carl Gaston in Japan once said a Japan complained of an injury after some boy against baby and go starts. I'm talking about a Japan because coach I can't answer. And then a Japan ye training ekk the ball. A Japan ye training ekk the ball. And upon me catch on say Richmond Lamte ye training and ra. But from the look of things, now me not sure so coach never force to be brave. But a net Lamte now me share, you know. For him to start, I doubt kakra. But the possibility set Richmond Lamte bet me rat 20-man squad no. From Enra Bannon a move to 75% that Richmond Lamte a bit me rat 20-man squad no. But starting there and a bit me say 95% out say Lamte best start unless something magical happens. Players now may be bono afi yen to aso. And Obi bisami about Richmond Opoku Dembele. Richmond Opoku Dembele na our training grounds ne. Richmond Opoku Dembele are training with the team or started this week. Fatau said as when the team no ye training. Dembele free Amas carries FC. Baba Fatau so the American one say that. Now warm up no group of 4 and no ye. No me your warm up we and now ball na kakra. And when they are not still part of warm up without the ball, then you warm up with the ball. Those are the only 2 sections that I can talk about. Warming up without the ball and warming up with the ball. We now cut the tactical side of the game, and that one the other second to me come and ya the American. Baba member players no a buy no na yentimi entwaso na the akemu na yemfa embrem players a buy enemy. Justice Blake. And also, Mamemfa went to him. I can confidently tell you that Blake is also out of Asante Kotoko Wambabo against Karela United. Justice Blake is out of the game. I can confidently tell you that. So take it from Obed. Julius Ofori, Fuseni Isaac, Sharif Muhammad, Justice Blake out. And then players are buying 4 goalkeepers. The lad Sare, Poite, Fatao. 3 right backs, baako na anye trading. Samuel Asamoah Augustine Japan. Samuel Asamoah Koulibaly. Abodo, watch out. They met me akanon. Nana Benini John Teleku Nicholas Opoku Nicholas Osei Bonsu. Nicholas me ruling out of the game. Squad 9 ye wahano. Center backs na 4 because of Sharif Mohammed in there. Down Yaya Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin. Midfielders Rocky Jamina, Eric Zeze, Enoch Morrison, Richmond Lamte. Me kawo mom ye training. Na wenya Abrante fan Baba Jaya. Wenya Richmond Opoku Dembele. Wenya Andrews in team menu, Michael Che Jamina, Baba Yaya Mabundada, Bernard Somwa, Peter Aqua. Watch out. Peter Aqua, watch out. Maka watch out for him in Peter Aqua and Samuel Asamoah Bodo. Makani mienu good. Eric Zeze, Maboni Ding. Isaac Opon. Isaac Opon. Neymar is fit. Very, very fit. And anything can happen. Na Baba Yaya. Baba Yaya. Kalu Atara. George Infege. Fege. Zaman for complaining saying Fege ball no you slow in Fege. Wow. Obed me akọ bench. Mede eno so mama. Ena Abrantia your friend Steve Nkwala. No Asante Kotoko players about training. Mabo bearding and a match di obia etimi eye so ewo. Enoch Morrison. Rocky Jamina Mambo Jamina din. Rocky Jamina Shadrach Ado. Omunyina about training. Indeed, that was the breakdown of Asante Kotoko training. Coach Ogum and na edwuma no mo ye no on sensem ni bi wo ha and me hu nipa miense bi wo Kotoko training grounds. 3 people Kotoko training grounds, but me come myself. 3 people, but I can't talk about it. I have to keep that news. Nyensem ni nyina na de ba bonten. But se Kotoko bo against Karela wie. Then I would have the chance to talk about those 3 people. Any Jumedi Ombeye ewa Kotoko training grounds. I'll come and talk about that. So Obed TV, 7 doors back, my main family see her. The Akebunyo China is here. Until then, adios, bye bye.